Hey Kitchen Besties, I am going to show you how to run the heated wash cycle on the Pampered Chef Deluxe cooking blender. So I've added 3 cups of water and a drop of dish soap. And as you can see, my water's kind of dirty. I just made the Java chip frappe from Pampered Chef. So now I'm gonna run this on the heated cycle so that it's all clean. So I am going to turn it to the heated wash, and then I'm gonna press the start button. Now, as you can see that it's at 91 and you've got the dots going around or dashes going around. That means it's coming up to temperature to heat the water to the right temperature so that it sanitizes and cleans your blender. So this is gonna go on for just a little bit. And as you can see, it's continuing to raise the temperature. All right, perfect. So now all I'm going to do is take the lid off. The lid is dishwasher safe, so you can throw this in the dishwasher if you want to. The gasket is removable, so if you happen to get, anything underneath here, you can dishwasher this or hand wash it, and of course the middle comes out too, which is amazing. And then I'm going to, this is hot, I'm going to dump this out and then just rinse it with my sprayer, and it is all clean for the next use. So I love this feature, the heated wash feature of the Deluxe cooking blender. I think it's absolutely amazing. Would you use the heated wash in your Deluxe blender? All right, let me know in the comments. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.